the first edition of the World Forex Summit in Ghana. A two-day event will be held on Saturday 28 September at ATTC Kokomlemle and Sunday 29 September at La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. Keynote speakers include Sandile Shezi, South Africa's youngest millionaire Forex trader.
I'm excited to announce that I will be the keynote speaker at the World Forex Summit that is taking place this month in Ghana. It's the first edition. I cannot wait to share with you the secrets of how to beat the market that I've personally been using for the past 10 years. Book your seat right now and I'll be showing you how to turn your cell phone into an ATM.
Linus Glover, UK trained professional trader and director of Forex Trading Academy, Osu Accra. Dr. Daniel Macaulay, CEO McDan Shipping Company. Itinerary includes 28 September is a general conference which is free to all. 29 September is a paid workshop with Sandile Shezi and Linus Glover where they share their trading secrets and methods to beat the market consistently. Visit www.forexaka.com for more information and book your seat. Let's make money trading the world's biggest markets.